Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into the AI coding world with a detailed comparison of the two emerging tools, Firebase Studio from Google and the independent but powerful Cursor. Both of these aim to make app development smarter and faster, but which one actually delivers when it counts? Let's build the same project on each and find out. Starting with Firebase Studio, Google's latest offering brings a clean, chat-based interface. You can connect GitHub, pick your programming language like TypeScript or JavaScript, and instantly begin prototyping. For our test, we asked it to build a note-taking app with a sidebar, and within seconds, Firebase Studio delivered a well-structured layout. It created components for adding, editing, and displaying notes, plus built-in support for local storage. The AI even provided UI suggestions and themes to improve usability. You get more than just basic scaffolding. This tool walks you through setup with helpful prompts and real-time code previews. One of the standout features is the integrated editor. It includes live previews, file search, Git version control, and real-time debugging, all inside the browser. Even better, the AI chat remains accessible alongside your code, so you can keep asking questions or making changes without switching tabs. But Firebase Studio's biggest flex? Seamless deployment. Once your project is ready, you can name it, link your Firebase account, enable billing, and deploy directly from the platform. It's a dream setup for solo devs or rapid prototyping. No terminal commands, no external hosting. Now let's put Cursor to the test. Cursor integrates directly with your local development setup and supports various AI models like GPT-4, Claude, and Gemini. Its flexibility is a huge plus for devs who want AI assistance inside a traditional editor environment. We gave Cursor the same prompt to build a Notes app with a sidebar, and it didn't disappoint. While it initially suggested using frameworks like Net.js, it pivoted based on our follow-up and delivered a lightweight HTML plus JavaScript app that worked perfectly. It handled local storage and state updates well, and then the file structure was intuitive for manual editing later. What really surprised us was its design ability. We asked both tools to style the app like a yellow legal notepad. Cursor nailed it, giving us a crisp, clean, and nostalgic UI that felt polished and visually refined. Firebase design was more functional, but Cursor brought more personality to the project. However, Cursor doesn't come with a built-in deployment. You will need to push your project to GitHub. Then use a service like Vercel, Netlify, or manual hosting to go live. For some, that's more freedom. For others, it's extra hassle. So who takes the crown? Firebase Studio wins for integrated workflow, simple deployment, and clean onboarding experience ideal for beginners or Google Cloud users. While Cursor wins for coding depth, more flexibility, and excellent UI generation. Perfect for experienced devs who want more control and already have a preferred stack. In short, Firebase Studio is all about speed and simplicity from idea to deployment. Cursor is about control, customization, and refined coding help. Pick up what fits your style. Which one are you leaning toward? Let us know in the comments. Like if this helped, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the future of AI-powered development. See you in the next video.